In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a modern logo with Affinity Photo. We'll keep the process clean, simple, and focused, so you end up with a logo that looks fresh and professional. First, open Affinity Photo and create a new document. A square canvas works well for logos because it scales nicely, so something like 2000 by 2000 pixels at 300 dpi is a solid starting point. Choose a transparent background if you want flexibility later. Before you begin, turn on snapping so objects align cleanly as you move them. If you like a visual guide, enable rulers and drag out a couple of guides to mark the vertical and horizontal center. This gives you a reliable anchor for placement as you build. Now, design with simple shapes or text. Use the artistic text tool to type a brand name or initials, and don't be afraid to start with just one letter. Pair it with basic shapes like circles, rectangles, or triangles for a confident, modern mark. Hold Shift as you draw to keep shapes perfectly proportioned. If you need small refinements, the Node tool lets you gently round corners or adjust curves without overcomplicating the design. The goal is to capture an idea quickly and minimally. Next, choose clean fonts and minimal colors. Sans serif fonts with even strokes tend to feel modern and timeless. Limit yourself to one or two typefaces and stick to one or two colors. A monochrome palette or a single accent color can look especially sharp. Think about contrast as well. Pairing a bold weight for the symbol with a regular weight for the text keeps things readable and balanced. If color is important to your brand, set it as a global swatch so it's easy to maintain consistency. Align everything using guides for balance. Center the main mark on the canvas, then align supporting text so it feels anchored. Use equal spacing between elements and let the logo breathe. Crowding makes designs feel dated. Distribute space evenly and keep edges aligned to the same invisible grid to create a cohesive rhythm. Finally, add subtle contrast or spacing for a modern finish. Slight size differences between the icon and the text can help establish hierarchy. A touch of letter spacing often improves clarity at small sizes. Avoid heavy effects. Instead, rely on clean edges, consistent margins, and intentional negative space. Step back, zoom out, and make sure the logo is legible and balanced at both large and small scales. That's it. A simple, modern logo built with clarity, restraint, and precision in Affinity Photo.